Welcome back. This is my second video on Git. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create a pull request. If you have not watched my previous video, Git tips and tricks on branching and aliases, please take a look. I will leave a link in the description. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create a PR. Let's dive in. If you look at the Git repo, this was the same repo I've used in the previous video as well. If you look at it, we have a master branch and then there are two feature branches, feature 1 and feature 2. Let's assume that feature 1 is being worked on by developer 1, feature 2 is being worked on by developer 2. Both of the feature 1 and feature 2 have been created from the master. Base branch for the feature 1 and feature 2 is master branch in this case. Let's go back to the console. Let's go to git checkout master. So I will do git fetch git pull origin master, git checkout feature 1. Let me add some content to it. Feature 1 is being developed. Let's save it. Let me commit it. Git commit -m. Added some content. So this is the commit message I'm giving. So let me add before committing it. So what I'm going to do, git add dot. So it is going to create one commit with these changes. If I do take a look at it, we have added some content. It's here. So let me push it, get push it to the remote. Once I push it, it will be pushed to the GitHub. Let me go back and take a look. It shows that feature 1 has been updated. Go to feature 1. Whatever the changes we made to that file has been added here. Okay, let's say I wanted to merge it. I wanted to merge it back to master so that this will be visible in the master, so that anybody working on top of master, they need the updated code so that they can work on top of it. Yes, let me go and create a pull request in basis master, and then it is comparing with the feature 1. It is telling you that you are able to merge this. So you will be able to leave a comment description telling what are the changes that you had made. You can probably add some description about it. Okay, it could be anything. Once it is done, this has been added. Let me go and create a pull request. Okay, you can see the changes as well. It is creating a pull request to the master branch. And another thing is you can assign it to yourself, and then you can add the reviewers. This is one of the thing that whenever you create a PR, make sure you add other team members or the admin. If you have forked and then maybe contributing to the open source, make sure you add the reviewers. Whenever you add a reviewer, so they will be notified about the PR being created. See, PR is a way to tell your team members or the admins or maintainers of the project there is some PR. People can just take a look at it, and then maybe they can comment over it and then approve it. There are a lot of process. You can use pull request as a code review tool if you want it, but in this video, let me just concentrate on how to create a PR. Let me create a pull request. Once the pull request has been created, it's gonna check for all the checks. See, you can have multiple checks added here. Probably when you're creating a PR, you wanted to run unit test cases, or you wanted to check with integration unit cases, or maybe you have Jenkins or some other tools where automatically it checks for the errors, linting errors, or so and so. If you look at it, like, there are three ways you can create a pull request. Let me demonstrate each one of them, how they differ. Let me go and select the first one, merge pull request. So let me go and create a pull request, then confirm merge. Once that has been done, you can go back to master and then take a look at it. Let me go to code. Okay, if you look at it, after merging it, it is giving me merge pull request number 4. Yeah, this is the fourth PR that I've created. If you look at the message for this, right, it is giving merge pull request number 4 from so and so. It is giving some details about it. This is the one way to create. Okay, once it is updated, we need to go back to master, get checkout master. Once we go there, we need to update the master, right, because master the remote has been merged with one of the feature, one of the PR. So let me do git fetch and pull origin master. Once it is done, okay, if I look at the, now you see it is having merge pull request number 4 has been pulled into the master to the local copy from the remote. Once you have pulled all the changes to the master, let's create another branch where we are going to work on feature 3 now. So get checkout minus b feature 3. I'm creating another branch from the master, and then I'm checking by using the minus b option, it will create a branch and then checked out to that branch as well. So let me add some content to it here. Feature 3 in progress, icon added. Okay, once it is done, do git status that file. Let's git add or git commit minus m icon added was the message. Once it is done, let's push to the, it says it is not there, let's get push origin feature 3. If you look at the previous, when I tried to do git push, the origin was not set to the feature 3. It was not allowing me to push. If you are creating a branch in the local, if you wanted to push it for the first time, you need to do get push origin feature 3, specifying the branch name. Once it is done, let's go to GitHub and then see whether new branch has been created. Yes, feature 3 has been created, the new commit added. Let's go to code and then we can compare and then create a pull request. Let me create a pull request. So now we are able to merge. You can give description if you wanted to, if you want you can, and then you need to assign yourself and then follow other stuff, and then go here, create a pull request. Once the pull request has been created, so obviously you're notifying the reviewers, they will be able to review and then give comments and the feedback, and then they probably approve it. Last time when I created a PR, I used the first option. Let's go to second option now, squash and merge. If you read the description, this is gonna add one commit from this branch to the base branch. Let's select this and then say squash and merge, then confirm it. Let me go back to the master branch. Okay, let me show you the commits. See, this was done using the first option, so it was showing from where the data came from and then with the merge pull request, because we selected create a merge pull request. So if you look at this one, the PR5, it is just showing the commit message that was in the feature 3 branch, and then in the bracket it is showing the PR number 2. If you click on this, it will take you to the PR. Let me go back, refresh it, because we have number 5. Let's go to checkout master. Let me pull the changes, git fetch, get pull origin master, because I'm updating with the master now with the local copy. Get, this is being pulled as well. We have 4 commits now. Let's create another branch, feature 5, and then add little more content. Feature 5 was added by user 10. And then let's save it and then get add dot get commit minus m feature 5 added. It could be proper description. I'm trying to demonstrate like how we can do this thing. Once it is done, let's push it, get push origin feature 5. Let's go to feature 5 has been added here. Go to feature 5 and then let me create the PR again from this branch. It is showing compare and pull request. Click on this guy, feature 5 added, and then create a pull request. Once it is done, it is gonna run some security checks, blah blah blah, and then once it is done, select the third option, rebase and merge. Okay, so if you read the description, it says it is gonna add the one commit from this branch but will be rebased and then added to the base branch. Okay, Let's rebase and merge, confirm it. Once it is done, let me go back to the master, see the latest commit added. If you look at it, it is not showing the PR, meaning if you look at the PR5, so it was in the bracket like mentioned here. You can just click on and then go back to that and then look into that. If you select squash and merge, it's going to show only the message that was in the branch. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you have enjoyed. Please share, subscribe and like this video. Have a great day. Thank you very much.